This channel will help you to improve your knowledge of English in various aspects. You can get an accurate understanding of grammar of English language and the various things that help you to develop English speed. Improve your reading, writing, listening and speaking skills with this channel. In this channel, you will find the entire section of English grammar, which are verb forms, the part of speech, forms and kind of nouns, how to tenses are made, direct and indirect speech, proverbs, idioms, comprehension, which are related to various sections, precise writing, which is ability to produce satisfactory precision is very important for many purposes in practical life, and paraphrasing. If you are IT sector, this channel will help you to learn English related to IT. If you are dealing with medical skill, English application related to business and English proficiency you need in various aspects of this channel. Not only that, you will have to learn essay writing, and I describe to this channel the characteristic of good essay, including unity, order, brevity, style, and from this channel you will find the dialogue writing and the method of procedure in successful dialogue. This channel provides you greater confidence in general use of English techniques of listening and understanding, and opportunity to develop presentation and communication skill, and learn many easy tips and tricks in English grammar for professional success. I congratulate to enjoy the benefit of this channel and believe that the knowledge this channel provides will suffice your aim. Thank you very much.